Hey guys, it's me, Tuli, and welcome to my first reaction video. And if you know that BTS just recently dropped their new fifth album, so yes, I am going to react their first MV of Arya. Okay, let's start. I don't know, maybe I already saw it once, but I was not at the home that time, so I couldn't record my reaction. But I promise, if I watch it in more than 1,000 times, I will give exact same reaction. So, okay, let's just start, okay? I'm so excited. If you know that around like 2021 this logo was like white, so BTS decided that only bright thing our army like is our face card, so make all thing dark. I think it's funny. Okay, let's start it. Okay, maybe the full video I will just talk for BTS, but just for some second, can we talk about how beautiful the girl is? She's so beautiful, you know, the eyes, her reaction is everything about her is perfect. I am so glad that they choose her to be in this MV. So yeah, let's start.
Swim, swim, butterfly in all your skin. Swim.
That's Jungkook, and you know he's so beautiful. He's so beautiful, and that's not the point. Maybe the way they capture it's not for camera. He's beautiful. That's the point. That's the point.
Start watching you swim,
Jimin in white shirt is my spirit animal. Oh. After so many years, like I saw him in white t-shirt.
I just wanna die, that world. Run away, I so that world. Name a place that I can breathe in that world. Looking like a get it hit this that world. Don't know how to act, girl. I'm in the deep, tell me where the hell you at, girl. You ain't even gotta love me back, girl. You know that I'll never hold it back, girl. Yeah. So easy to make it so hard. It's like these, I just want
RM and Jin wasn't one film. You know how much it's cost. So it's like money. It's feeling like that. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know the frame is so powerful. This is my emotional support. Like I waited for Sugar. If you know, then Sugar is my bias, and I waited for him like 2 years. The Billa just like invisible. But I feel like every time that when I was in problem or I feel like that I can't do it anymore, I always think that BTS was in my side. So yeah, this is my emotional support system, that always they got my back, my bias got my back. Oh, Jin! Whatever I just say about Sugar, I forgave him. He's so beautiful. He's so handsome. He's so beautiful. dropped and tears come to her eyes. It's us. We are representing their, no one understand army more than BTS do. So yeah, it's a metaphor that they always are our side. Maybe we can't just see them, but they are always in our side. And we are armies always feel that, right? It's no need to say it loud because we always feel that way. When Taeyang just came in front of her and just bumped with each other, I feel like in some MV of BTS they did it already. I guess I'm not sure because I feel like it's a deja vu. I don't know. I just feel like I'm not sure. Jin was just like, what happening? Why is crying? Okay, it's mineral. I'm worldwide fans, Cute. This was the scene where Sugar was like, yeah, it's maybe earning money was so difficult. Look at their face. They're like, what we are doing? We are billionaires. Why we are doing that? Earning money was so difficult. But Jimin still slayed. If you know, then you know that Jimin in white shirt was my weakness. Look at just the young faces like, what the fuck I'm doing? Why I'm doing that? This is funny. Geoff is freaking hot. The scene was like metaphor that army was like running. I mean, the girl was running, and BTS are around to her, but she can't see it. But BTS can understand it. The situation. It's like all army's life. The song is about us. The song is about us. So it's our responsibility to scream it, subscribe it, like it, do whatever you want. But we are. It's our song, so we have to do all those stuff, right?
I could spend a lifetime watching swim. Let it all begin. Swim. I just wanna dive.
Now, at that point, I thought she might jump, and the way she just like necklaced with did that with necklaced. I was like, it's not there. It's not Titanic scene because we already saw it in Titanic. Yeah, of course, a legend can copy a legend. Yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful. The scene is so beautiful. So she did jump because her clothes are wet and the necklace is wet also. So, she just teleport, and when she was back, she was already so wet. Her clothes are so wet. So that means she jumped and then came back to the main place. I mean, the startup when all things start. Place. How beautiful is her smile is. How beautiful. It's like when I saw it for first time, I almost cried, but now the emotion doesn't come, so I can't pretend like I have to be cry because I'm so happy. One humble request that in 4:30 Indian time, Netflix will drop their live for BTS first performance in Aryan after 4 years. So yeah, we all are so excited. So I want you all to go to Netflix and watch it legally because I know so many people are there waiting for those illegal links. But you know that BTS love us so much and they tried as hard as possible to be afford that we can afford things, so it's in Netflix and Netflix are not that much high priceable, so please just go to Netflix and watch it because that's all can we do, and scream Arya as much as possible and love you. Bye. Let's meet in next video.